Are you sitting comfortably? Good. Then we shall begin.
See ya later, vlog.
Guys, I was too busy living in the moment to be taking videos. I realized as I was editing this vlog that I did not create any content on the 31st. But yeah, I'm sorry. This is the best I could do. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Mahli Banda and this is where we talk about lifestyle, fashion, and Forex trading. Today is the 1st of January 2024. I am currently at the Capital on Bath in Rosebank. And I'm here with Amo and Dawona. You guys met them in my girls trip vlog. My Forex funds! Hello everybody. I know I look kind of bad. Okay, there's a reason for that. But I just wanted to share something with you guys. Today is the 8th of the 8th month, 2023. And it is 24 minutes past 2 p.m. And I just bought my first My Forex Funds challenge. And this is like the journey that I'm on right now. Yeah. Let me tell you guys how I found out, okay? So I funded the account and then I didn't trade the account for about 2 to 3 weeks, right? And the reason for it is because I was so anxious. So it's not a good idea for you to trade when you're not feeling like the best. But then 2 to 3 weeks later, I was like, nah, man, I have this account, you know? Let me trade the account. Like, I was starting to feel good. Okay, guys. So Monday, right? Monday, I placed a trade. I placed the trade London session. It's morning South African time, London session, right? I lost the trade. And then I placed another trade, New York session. New York session is in the afternoon in South Africa, right? So I lost the trade too on that Monday, same day. I decided, you know what, since I want to trade NFP, let me save whatever I was going to risk on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for that day because I don't want my stop loss to be tight. Now, that was the plan, so I didn't open my MetaTrader 4 platform for all of those days. I use TradingView to analyze chart. So I don't really have to open MetaTrader 4 unless if I'm placing a trade. Friday morning, I wake up. I'm like, okay, let me just check on MetaTrader 4. I'm logging in just to check like how far the market has moved. Guys, I log in. The chart is frozen, guys. I'm like, okay, cool. It is what it is. I think to myself, maybe it's my network. It's just a little bit slow. My Wi-Fi is slow. But my Wi-Fi is not slow. But because South Africa, you know, I'm just like, it is what it is. I wake up. I get out of bed. I go chill by my laptop. I open my laptop. I go onto TradingView. And then I come up with my trading plan for that day. So now I'm like, 12 p.m., bruh, like, no, I have to open chart because now I want to put my limit orders, right? I go on MetaTrader 4. This chart is still frozen. I'm thinking to myself, like, no, this is weird, right? So now I go onto the website, right? My Forex funds. I see it says under maintenance. I'm thinking to myself, like, what? I'm like, no, let me download Twitter and go onto Twitter because Twitter, that's where everything is, right? I download Twitter. Well, now it's called X. I download X. I log in. I see like this is my Forex fund scandal. I'm like, yo, my money. But then I'm like, you know what? It is what it is. I thought to myself, like, you know what? Maybe like they will fix it. I had faith in them, guys. I'm like, okay, it is what it is. Maybe it's a lesson because my initial plan was for me to do FTMO, right? But I decided to go with MFF because it's cheaper. It's a lot cheaper. And I was just like, it is what it is. I am going to say though that I'm very, very proud of myself because I handled that loss like the champ that I am. And it was also like a space it was a space where I could test my psyche, you know, my Forex trader psychology. And man, I handled it so well. Maybe it was because I was already going through so much crap where it just didn't matter as much, but it is what it is, you know. So that's on that, guys. My Forex funds, I don't have an opinion about like my Forex funds because guys, like, and it's so crazy because I would watch that girl Kiara, or what's her name, this girl, like I was watching her and she would talk about how there are brokers who do this and that. I just thought, ah, man, I mean, I didn't comment it, but I just thought in my head like she's being a hater, you know. But at the same time I was like, man, this girl is a real one, like she's a real one. Why is she bashing like these brokers? But then, guys, when it happened, I was like, yo, this is what she was talking about. This is the broker she was talking about. Because in that moment, in those videos, she was not naming and shaming. But then when I saw what I saw, like everything just connected. The dots just connected. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is what she was talking about. In the background, like I have been working really, really hard. And right now I just want to show you guys like my favorite trade of this past quarter, the fourth quarter of 2023. I am looking at the dollar index, the daily chart of the dollar index. The reason why this was my favorite trade of the last quarter of 2023 is because in 2023 I was working a lot on perfecting my skill of looking for patterns on bigger time frames and trading them on those big time frames, because usually what I would do is that I would look at these big time frames and I would drop down to the smaller time frames and trade those patterns that I created by a candlestick that I see on a daily chart, and then I would trade the pattern that I see on the smaller time frames. I'm gonna walk you guys through my thought process with this trade. So the orange line was my prediction. This orange line here was my prediction. This area was obviously my overall take profit, and this was the trade that I took. When I was looking at this trade, the market was already going down, right? From this high right here. Okay. And so I had to ask myself, which areas does the market have the potential to bounce on top of? Right. So this was one area, right? And these areas right here were areas where the market had the potential to bounce onto. This area right here. Another area was this daily low, this low, which is really, really important. Now that we know that, we have to zoom in and look for confluences, right? Things that suggest that the market really is going down, and things that when I look at, I'm like, okay, this is a confluence that the market really, really is going down. It's confirmation for me that the market is going down. Cool. So the market was already here at this area right here. Okay. Now, the market had broken this very important area of mine, right? It had already broken it, came down to the next important area of mine, right? Hence, I have this block here. Hence, I have this block here. This block was a very important block for me because the market was already there. The market wasn't there. So I had to ask myself, is the market going to retrace and go back, retrace and go back up? Or was the market going to continue to the downside? All right. Now, I had to look for confluences that the market had potential to really go down and not go back up. Cool. So that is why I have these two boxes, right? So if the market was to not break this price and go up, it was just going to stay in here. And it was going to tell me that it is an area of continuation. It was going to tell me that the market is continuing to the downside. But if market had broken and came up here, it was going to be my area where market was going to retest price and go back up. Cool. So that's where that comes from. Because you want to trade with the momentum of the market, you never want to trade against the market. My my prediction was that the market is going to continue down, and the market was going to continue down till this area right here. Cool. That was my prediction. Now, I had to wait for price to play out, and I knew that it was going to take me days, right? Because it was the daily chart. Cool. So now I'm going to zoom in, right? Not zoom in as in take it to smaller time frames, but zoom in as in just zoom into price. So now I'm looking to see how market is going to react into this in this area right here, in this blue area, the navy blue area. And I'm also going to be looking at how market would react if it was to get into this area right here. If market was to break this area up here and then go there. Cool. I'm going to play price now. Now, price came down, right? It bounced onto this area. Literally was my prediction that market would bounce onto this area, right? So this is a very important area for me. Remember that. So these areas, guys, these areas, I refer to them as areas because it's never just a line, all right? It's never just a line, it's an area. So market could create a fake out, come down here, go back up. Market could turn here at the top, you know? So it's just an area. It's not like a line or a price, you know? So yeah, that's that on that. So now that market is here, I'm looking to see how market is going to react to this area right here, right? And now remember, however the market reacts here, it will give me an entry point. So that's what I'm waiting to see. Market must give me confluences to enter, and we see how price reacts to this area right here. If we were to zoom down or take it to like a smaller time frame, we see it created an M, right? And this was a perfect entry. And this is when I actually entered this trade, guys. It was on the 13th of December. So this trade was, I had to wait, guys. I had to hold. When I went to the pool party, the little snippet that you guys saw of me at the pool party, I was already in this trade, guys. I was holding. I was still in the trade and holding, and it was on the 24th of December. So yeah, no, it was the 23rd of December. Sorry, my bad. So we see how price played out. Came, it hit all of my take profit areas, guys. I entered multiple times with this. So with every area that the market reached, every zone that the market reached, I would enter some more. I would take my profit and enter some more, take my profits from certain trades that I had already placed and enter some more. But now I've since gotten out of the trade because market came to this area right here. So I'm also going to show you guys how I managed the trade. How I managed this trade is that I entered the trade, right? And as soon as the market reached um this area, I moved my stop loss here. And then I entered some more in this area right here. In this area here, entered some more, and from there onwards I then let the market move down. When market reached this area, I moved my stop loss to this area, and when market reached this area right here, I obviously could not move my stop loss to that area, so I just kept it there. And then with this very big engulfing, the bullish engulfing, it just took me out. And when I say a bullish engulfing, I mean this candlestick right here. The market took me out. So basically that was the position that I traded, and this was my favorite prediction of 2023. That was my favorite trade because it played out exactly the way I said it would. Like, I have to go down for breakfast.
Money, hold up, got a cutter, lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, on wanna, come on, hold on, hey, come on, stunner, summer, really. Hunter, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surf up, wave, pop it, sipping acorn, rich nigga on A1, baby, back in that acorn, baby, butter pecan, bringing out on the refund, breaking up until I see the sun. I fuck the bitch on the jet, keep away, get on her neck, she only call for 6, speed in the bitch, I stick up my foot on that neck, finna put on the wrist, I used to drop it at X, from the strong, gotta keep you a gun, not a regular list, fucking whole while the weekend run, she want me sticking it deep in a gun. You know I'm be with it or what? Catch your body, I keep it on hush. You pussy gon' tell her to rush. Come to the spot and I'm feeling the splash. I'm fuck with these niggas a dog. Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, ladder, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, on wanna, come on, hey, I'm stunner, summer, been in, Hunter.
The mushrooms. Hello guys, so now we're back from eating breakfast. We got ready wearing our swimsuits. At 12 we're gonna go down and chill by the pool and swim. So yeah, breakfast I give them 10 out of 10. Okay, no, 9 out of 10, and the one is because the coffee was too strong. Like, I'm not really like a fan of like very strong coffee. Like, give me 0, ma'am. When it comes to like strong coffee. So yeah, if you want to know what's my stuff of the season, this is my stuff of the season. Cheers. The edges different, blue fadil. Guys, please recommend a glue that is, gel or glue, whatever, that is better than got to be. Like, please.
This year, I want to work on my body. I want it to always be snatched, like, give it really flat. Like,
gee, my dad.
Oh, it really like.
I want to know it top a left. No lose.
Really.
Oh, guys, it's so cool here. The pool area is so nice.
I still want the love. What's it go? All the Bentley. They got ride the boat. I know feet. Die for nothing. What's it go? All the Bentley. They got ride the boat. I know feet. Different things than happening. Schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean. My boat, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. We got tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want food house, I still want some.
Are we in now? Those are so cold, guys.
So let's take one.
What I came into, I don't.
The lighting looks so nice.
Please search it for me. Oh my god. Switch out. Like, make it this. What's a one now? Swim. I didn't get a chance. Yeah, not done, Tari. Sorry, Tari. So what was not bad when she inside? I can't believe they don't have like copyright. Yeah. Would have been so nice. Let me come back. It's deep. I want to see. It's actually deep, eh? It's not that deep, eh? But you can still drown in it. Yeah. I can't stand it. No, I can't. You stand like I did the one. Even here it's deep, eh? Can you go? If the outside was like hot, oh yeah, I don't think I know. Maybe we could even get wine. At least moet je gewoon naar die tsunami disaster. Ik ga gewoon als tsunami. When the water's so blue. We can even get like a nice picture with the drink and the glasses. No. I meant to ask the lady at dinner if we can take this is actually nice. The glasses down. Oh, hello guys. We're at the Michelangelo Towers. We're here for the spa. Yeah, guys, like I'm tired. Like we tired. Yeah, it's been a long weekend. So yeah.
It's not even a weekend, guys.
Dude, today's Monday.
No,
It's Tuesday.
No, Tuesday.
But mina ngiyayivuma this year. Do you want to do Monday? Aye.
Standing on business.
Yeah. So guys, we are at the Resonance Spa. Renaissance, what?
Renaissance Spa.
Renaissance, yeah. We are at the Renaissance Spa. This is like the pool area. Like you guys, this is the way to start your year. Don't be drinking, you know. Come to the spa and enjoy. Tawona? Iremo. Okay. Guys, I'm making another one again. So, and then we come, we press here. I wanted a latte with sugar. Amu, regular or strong? What? Regular or strong? Strong. No, regular. And then you guys know how this machine works, but I mean the content, you know. It's really, really good, guys.